This is Zach here with Grow Freedom 1776. Today we're going to go over how to make a propagation mix consisting of like a pro mix or peat moss based mix with no additives and coco coir. It really doesn't matter the brand. The main thing is that the coco coir is high quality and doesn't have a lot of salt, and that your potting soil is peat moss based and pH balance. So usually what I do is take your peat moss based potting soil, your pro mix, and you're going to add at least a third to half coco coir, depending on, and then mix that up really, really well. Break up the clumps in the pro mix. Make sure it's real fluffy, and you'll be ready to go. You could also, add in a little extra perlite or vermiculite if you wanted to, but you don't really want to add a lot of additives to this mix because you could burn the cuttings or the seedlings as they sprout. You just mainly want a good loose mix ready for seeds or roots to pop out in. Once they get rooted, you get true leaves on the new seedlings, then at that point you would be ready to fertilize and pot up into a mix that is richer in meal-based foods, or kelp meal, bone meal, blood meal. At that point, main thing you're looking for here is good structure and good airflow through the soil to allow that roots to penetrate and colonize the container that you've put them in. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all the support. Like, comment, share. Thanks for all the support. Trying to get this channel going. I've kind of stepped away, but I'm going to try to get back in the flow of posting more regularly. Thank y'all.